Then, sorry, di ako super familiar kasi sa mga numbering ng plates eh. Pero, I believe na yung kotse na yun is allegedly owned by DOTR Transportation USEC Ricky Alfonso.
Ayun.
So that's the name of the guy. So apparently
Yung medyo entitled doon.
Yung medyo entitled doon. So yung road rage incident na nangyayari, parang yung nangyari basically, I don't think it was shown sa sa video natin, no? Sa video natin, pero apparently sinapak ni ng driver ni
yung mahirap pag yung driver yung pumipitik.
Oo nga eh. Like, I don't know how.
Ayan yung 10 nga for the presiding justice of the Court of Appeals.
Yes.
Ayan.
Presiding justice and Solicitor General.
And Solicitor General. Yung Solgen.
Solgen, tama ka partner.
So, hindi natin alam bakit ito yung protocol plate niya, 'di ba? Hindi naman talaga nararapat. Pero I think oras na para kanselahin talaga yung mga VIP plates na to at talagang we have to humble. Kaya nga sila public servants. They are not there to para maghari-harian, to feel
they
all the
serve
privileges.
us, kaya nga public servant.
They should be serving at the pleasure
the people.
of the people.
Diba?
Talagang, tapos biglang mauuna ka lang. I mean, gets naman na you have to be on top of everything. Pero
marami kayong pinupuntahan sa isang araw. Sige.
Marami kayo inaasikaso for the people. But for you to act this entitled,
oh my God, it's no.
Let's say sabihin na rin natin na baka nang pa-power trip yung MMDA officer, ganyan. Pero merong may tamang paraan para i-handle yung mga ganitong problema na dapat hindi umaabot.
Oo nga eh.
Sa ganito, no.
So,
And ito nga yung DOTR official, hindi pa siya nasanay sa huling pamumuno ni Secretary Vince Dizon na very humble, na chill lang, no?
Shout out Sec Vince. You're doing the Lord's work.
Yeah.